So I have created an MCP agent using 𝐥𝐢𝐳𝐤 and Cequence. So this MCP agent basically does is it is for DevOps operation. So user can query the logs, matrices, and also user can deploy a service on production or make a rollback. So let me log into the system. So I will use the Microsoft. Now let me go to the dashboard. So this is a new user. This user don't have access to view the system log, system matrix or deploy any services. And this user is also shown these tabs based upon their permission. So let me make some query using the AI assistant. So let me ask it to deploy some service. Deploy some service. Then it is asking me for the service name. Let's say payments service. What was it? Let's go 3.1.1. Which environment it is asking. Let me deploy it on staging. So this user didn't have the permission to deploy on staging, so we got 403 error. Now let's update the permission of this user using the 𝐷scope and then deploy again. So let me go to the 𝐷scope console and let me update this permission. So I will update directly to developer prod access. So here admin can update the user based upon their permission. I've created user this permission role-based access for new user, observer who can view and matrices and logs. This is a developer who can deploy and roll back on staging, and this is a developer having prod access. So let me make it developer having prod access. There is some error. Let me edit again. So now the permissions are successfully updated. Now let me go back again to the application. So now this user is having all the accesses that our system can provide, and here also we can see that these accesses are given. Now let me make that deployment call again, or maybe another call. This time let's error logs. Then it will ask me, do you want to fetch all the error logs or filter them by specific criteria such as time such as 5 days. So let's limit it to 4 logs. So here we got the error log based upon the permission. So here we also get the access to the tabs that we are having. So here this is logs tab, here this is matrices tab, and here we can deploy. To deploy and roll back, we need to connect the outbound app. So let's connect it. So let's make some rollback. So this is deployment ID, critical bug form, in production, emergency to production, rollback production deployment. So I'm having some issue with the sequence call. That sequence we are able to make calls to the sequence, but there are multiple calls made. So first call is going through, and the next subsequent call, that multiple call our system is making, is not going through. So let me show you the sequence gateway. Here we can see that the rollback call was made just right now, but it also got 200 success status code, but the multiple rollback call was made. So we can see it, like just now we got a multiple rollback call, and in this the first call is going through, and the next call is having some error. So let me see first call. So I think, yeah, this was the first rollback call that our system made, and it went through the sequence and it got successful. And from next call onward, we are having some error, like the response is empty, and that's why we are getting error over here. Rest all the things in our system is working fine. So let me show you some screenshot we got. So this I made without using the sequence. So this is the screenshot that we got. So I will also show you the flow diagram. So this is the flow diagram of my app. So in this case, the client, we make a client, then we go through the OAuth authentication, and if the user is authenticated, then they can connect to the MCP server, and then they can make the calls. And if they are authorized, the call go through the sequence gateway, and the tool call is made. And after that, tool call is returned to sequence, and then to the MCP server, and then it is returned back. So this is all we have. Thank you for watching the project.